Hi guys, really quick, I'm gonna show you how to download a font from the internet and download and install it into your laptop or your computer. Okay, so I would go to Google and just type in cute free fonts or anything with fonts. And this is a place that I like, thefont.com, and I really like the KG fonts. Let's pick one. This one, the Lego house. That's one that I have at the house, okay? At my house. Okay, so you would go to download the font and it's going to start downloading down here on the bottom left. Once it's done downloading, you just open it up. And before we could use anything that we download, that's a zip file. We have to unzip it, extract it all. So I'm going to click on extract all. It'll open up a new window. And now this one is one that I could use right here, the one with the little white sheet of paper with the tiny little blue little A right there. That's the font. We're going to open that up. This is just showing you what the font looks like. And if we do want to install it, we just click here, install. And once it's real quick. Once it's done and it's grayed out right here, it's like faded out. That means that it installed on your laptop or computer and it's ready to be used either like in a PowerPoint or Word or any document that you're typing on. Let's go see if it worked. Okay, so I'm going to close this up real quick. I'll lower that. I'm going to go and open up a PowerPoint just to see if it installed correctly. Okay, let's see. KG, I think it was the Lego, KG Lego house. Here it goes. So, yep, that's it. It worked. And that's how you download and install a font. Hope that helps you.